Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V60 Lite, and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalizations. So I'd like to begin with personalizations. Let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find Google. Then let's tap on all services. Be aware you do not have to be logged in order to be able to customize it. So go to all services, scroll and go to ads. So here we've got something which is called advertising ID, and basically removing it will not limit the amount of notifications, amount of ads you receive. However, they will not be that much personalized. So for example, they will not show you the things which you wanted to buy previously, or something which you probably will like. You know what it means. So I highly recommend to tap on Reset Advertising ID at first, tap on Confirm, and then delete it and confirm, thanks to which the ads won't be that much personalized. Moreover, in the settings, here in the general list of the settings, let's scroll all the way up and find more connections. Here let's tap on Private DNS, and usually we will have it on automatic one. So tap on Private DNS provider hostname, tap on this section and enter dns.adguard.com and tap on save. And thanks to it, your device will significantly limit the advertisements. Moreover, if you've got the app which is showing you a lot of notifications containing adverts, you can try to limit the notifications themselves. So for example, let's pretend that I'm getting a lot of notifications from maybe Play Store. So just tap on it and hold it, and then go to App Info. Now let's tap on Notifications. And basically here, after scrolling down, you can see that there are different categories of the notifications which we receive. So try to find the category which is connected with the advertisements. So let's pretend payments, deals, and recommendations sounds like advertisements. So find something similar and just tap on the switcher next to it, thanks to which we will simply hide the notifications connected with the adverts. Or if this is the app which notifications are not really that significant, you can simply turn off all of the notifications. But as I said, it depends what kind of app it is. Moreover, I highly recommend, and probably this is a basic advice, however, I still would like to tell about it. I highly recommend entering the Play Store, tap on search, and here enter something called Adblocker, something like that. Something similar. Thanks to it, you will search for Adblock apps, thanks to which you can block different adverts. So for example, you can block them in your browser. We've got specific app for that. You can block the overall content. We've got something called Adblock Pro, etc. So I highly recommend to consider downloading the Adblocker. And another thing is that if you're using the app which is showing you a lot of notifications, so for example, let's pretend that I'm using a file manager in which I'm receiving a lot of advertisements, then what is the most wise thing to do is to simply search for another file manager. So let me do it, because as you can see, there are many different versions of file manager. They are produced by different companies, etc. And I highly recommend to simply check those which are highly rated, because probably simply replacing the app which shows you advertisements is the best option to do. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.